Cleanliness is next to God, said Mahatma Gandhi. As a tribute to Gandhiji, Government of India launched an ambitious Swachh Bharat mission with an holistic approach. Making India free from the curse of open defecation was a tough challenge to make the mission a success. Construction of adequate number of toilets across the country was a major constraint due to high costs involved in it. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) rose to the occasion to provide a low-cost option. Its Chennai-based CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center initiated a project to develop a novel technology to construct low-cost toilets with scope for mass production. After deliberations, it was decided to construct toilet units using thin precast concrete segmental panels. Computer models helped scientists to design the toilet unit and septic tank with an eye on cost effectivity, durability and safety. Size of toilet unit and septic tank was standardized. Construction technology was also standardized from precasting up to erection of toilets at various locations.
When we talk about the use of this lifting equipments and all, that will add up the cost of the toilet unit. So, in order to avoid this, we have developed as a segmental panel so that two persons can easily lift and can be assembled these panels within 2 and 2.5 hours. The beauty of this toilet is we have developed joints in such a way that it will have its own connection type. So, it will form a box types where you can pour the concrete into that and that will hold the panels together.
Cement, fly ash, sand, aggregate, plastic solution and water are the raw materials required to precast the panels. Materials are treated in a concrete mixer in right proportions and sequence to develop a concrete mix for precasting. Concrete mix is poured in specifically sized and designed molds for setting. After due curing, panels are ready for erection of toilet. This special design and technology allows joining of panels with each other with perfect bonding and through connecting rods. Technology for complete erection of toilet is simple and does not need any special equipments or skilled manpower. Once core toilet unit is ready, septic tank can also be built using thin precast panels.
The primary aim of the project was to develop a cost-effective, durable and faster construction technology of toilet. This was achieved by using precast thin segmental panels. The thickness of the panels what we used was 25 mm and the panels were reinforced using welded wire meshes. And we chose the optimum size of the wire mesh for reinforcing the concrete panels. Also, we developed different types of connections and we explored different types of connections in order to assemble two panels to form a superstructure of the toilet core unit and the septic tanks. And we boiled down into one easy connecting method and with which you can achieve structural integrity in the concrete core panel what we have developed.
Panels are lightweight, hence can be easily handled, transported and assembled. Due to improved technology, panels are durable and suitable for all climatic conditions and for remote areas. Toilets also meet Swachh Bharat Gramin requirements. Toilets thus erected are cost effective. The total cost of toilet unit including septic tank is around 12,000 rupees only. This technology is also suitable for mass production through industrialization. Hence, technology was transferred to Messrs. Lakshmi Srinivas Engineers, Hyderabad, Messrs. Fractal Enterprise, Vishakhapatnam and Messrs. Natural Waste Management Technologies Private Limited, Krishna District, Andhra Pradesh for commercial production. Low-cost toilets are now a preferred choice for individuals and other stakeholder agencies. Low-cost toilets have triggered a new wave of cleanliness in India.